Hey guys, welcome to the video for guys. In today's video, I want to show you how to stop your iPhone from turning off or auto locking by itself. So let's get started. So it's going to be really simple and easy. One setting that you need to change, simply go into your setting of your iPhone. And once you go into your setting of your iPhone, you're going to want to look for display and brightness. So you click on display and brightness, scroll down here to auto lock. Now by default, your iPhone will turn off or auto lock itself in about 30 seconds if you don't touch or do anything with it. Now you can adjust this, of course, to 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, up to 5 minute customization from it auto locking or turning off. Now if you don't want to turn it off at all and you want to do it by yourself, you want to lock it, simply select never. Now it will not turn off or auto lock any longer. Now in order for you to lock it, you'll have to manually press that side button just like that to lock your phone, as you can see here, or else it will not lock. And once you open it up again, you see here in the never here, it will not lock. Now never might not be the greatest option because if you do that, the battery is going to drain really quicker, and of course there's also security concerns because if you leave it, let's say somewhere, and it's just like that and you didn't manually lock it yourself, someone can have access to your phone and your, of course, access to your information as well. So that's how you prevent the phone from locking. But again, do use caution if you're going to be using this setting. You can always use one of the other options as well instead of the 30 seconds. So I hope this quick little video was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.